Did you know that in Greek mythology, Zeus once carried a baby inside his own thigh? Here's how that happened. Zeus fell hard for a mortal princess named Semele. She was beautiful, she was bold, and she made the worst mistake of her life when she asked Zeus to show her his true form. He warned her. She insisted. So he did. The moment his full divine power filled the room, Semele was incinerated on the spot. No human body can survive looking at a god as he actually is. But she was pregnant. Zeus pulled the unborn baby from her ashes, and with nowhere else to put him, he cut open his own thigh and sewed the fetus inside. He carried the baby himself until it was time, and that baby was Dionysus, god of wine, madness and chaos. Born twice, first from a mortal woman who burned alive, then from the leg of the king of the gods. Honestly, that explains everything about him.